thing is I don't like my camera close to the lights because the light is hot. Relax, mama. Relax. Hi guys, good morning. I think today is December 11. These two dogs keep, like the guy left already, like he left, like, he doesn't stay long, he just delivered the package. But this dog, imagine that the guy is still in the garage and they keep barking, and in the middle of the night suddenly run over in the laundry area and then bark. He's constantly barking, and then they're staring at the laundry area like the guy is still there. And you know what I did? I turned the TV louder. I turned the volume louder that they don't hear any little bit of noise. They think the guy is still there. Tommy just called me a while ago too. He has a really bad headache, and I'm going to call the doctor Monday, tomorrow. It's gonna be tomorrow, Monday. Tommy's gonna be here late tomorrow, but I'm gonna call the doctor tomorrow for Tommy's appointment. I'm gonna make an appointment for Tommy because or else he won't call the doctor. And yeah, for Thursday. And hopefully next week we're gonna start moving the table and the couch to this house from the other house. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we have, because that's the only thing that we can do, because Christmas is gonna be here. And if it's not gonna happen, that means we have a folding table and folding chairs, and that's it. That's what we're gonna do, and we don't have a choice if we can't do it. So, but hopefully, fingers crossed, it will happen, because and Tommy, I need to call a doctor for him, because he's like he need to really go to the doctor, guys. Check up. It's super cold and it's going to snow today. The news, it says so, but let's see. And yeah, I found it. This is what I've been looking for. Oh, look at this. It's almost cut in half. The color, miss this color. Because that's good. That's to kill the ticks. Now, if there is ticks in their body, we'll, let go, or something, they won't come to them. And that's not cheap, guys. It's like 60 bucks a piece for that. So good for 8 months. Probably get a new one next year. Planning to eat it later on. I usually eat it early in the morning. Let me slow down this TV because it's loud. I'm going to the second floor. There's a lot of things over there need to be done. Like, I have to fold stuff, and I'm planning to put the green screen because I like to have the green screen, guys, but I'm debating where I'm going to position it. So I'm gonna go upstairs and do all that while these two animals are like, yeah, ready to be. Follow me. This one, I don't want to forget this. I'm gonna give this to my friend. This is what I'm going to give to her birthday, guys. This one here. Roxy, move. Roxy. Look, this is what I'm going to give her. There's two. The one is not open, but this one I just, check it out. I'm gonna give this to her on her birthday. And yeah, it's a small jewelry box. I'll give this to her. Okie doke. Okie doke. Green screen. I will put you right here. Test 1, 2, 3, test. There is the sun. The sun is coming out. Or the beach. Look at this woman walking around. It's really nice when they're around. Look at this sexy lady, guys. The sexy lady is coming out. They're playing in the beach. Oh, no. Tasting. The shadow. You see the shadow? The light. I have to put it closer. Hold on, guys. So, yeah, I still have shadows, look. Well, I'll try to fix it. I'm just trying this. The thing is, I don't like my camera close to the lights because the light is hot, as in hot, guys. And then I noticed the last time I did this, the camera it's like super hot because it's too close to the lights. Let's run. Oh. The shadow. The dog is staring at me. Oh, let's go run with the jogger. Oh, I wanna move like jogger. Hey, this tripod is so heavy. It's the longest, it's the biggest tripod. It's tripod for filming. Bakit ako umiyak? Hindi na makatigil ang iyak. Always happening to me. Always happening to me. Relax, mama. Relax. Anyway, guys, I'm just like my eyes, my tears is just flowing every time. I'm very sensitive, guys. If you don't know about me, I'm very sensitive. If I saw somebody crying, I cried. If somebody's talking about their family, you know. Okay, if somebody, I've been watching in YouTube, wife surprises their family, or you know, the husband about having a baby. I think I did 4 videos already. I watched every videos. I cried. I don't know. I become emotional for everything. It's just watching them. I imagine myself. It just makes me, my eyes just keep, like, my tears just keep dropping. Anyway, guys, that's really what happens. guys, if you can see me. Hi. I'm just gonna show you. This is already edited, but I will tell you what I do usually. Hold on. So when everything is transferred, guys, like the clips, I transfer it from this phone, this camera that I'm using right now, and with the SD card, put it in the side right here. I put it right here. So this is Final Cut Pro, guys. This thing is Final Cut Pro. So I put every clip here. So what I do, I edit like this. I just want to to show you guys quick. So this is a whole clip, right? This one right here, and I will play it one by one, all the clips. If I don't like the clip, I will get rid of it, cut it, and then delete it, and then everything is connected. And then so that's what I do, guys. I cut everything that I don't want to be in the vlog, and then for example, there is a clip that I don't talk, or I'm just doing something, I fast forward it and then put music in here. This is the music here, the one in the green one, it's music. If you see blue on the top, that means it's forwarded, like it's forward, and then I mute it. I put the volume down. Then I put the intro, this intro here. I will put the intro and then put the music under here. This blue here, this right here, this is the music. And so if you see this blue thing right here, this right here, this is a letter that you see right here. And then with the ding or swish, whatever mute sounds, and under. And then that's how I do it, guys. And then I put all the, like this right here. And in the back, in the outro, the same thing with the intro. This one here, the one here, this one here, this is the outro, guys. This in the middle, this is the outro. And this one right here is the Selena Gomez love song. It's a remix. I cut the clip, you know, not the whole song. I just look for a specific you know, lyrics, and I put it under. The one on top is the one that the previous vlog. Get the pros, please. It's nice to have this tripod, but it's so heavy to carry. This is Arizona iced tea with lemon flavor. I've been looking for a pot in here, flower pot, a bigger one. So I want a bigger pot that the roots can expand, can spread the wings, spread.
Con toda pasión, con todo cariño, porque me debo a los mexicanos, les debo mucho.
Just watching a video of Zuhila. Every little video I watch, guys, I always freaking teary-eyed for no reason. What's wrong with me? Every video I just cry. I don't really know what happened to my heart. I'm always crying. Every time people say, "Aww, I like it," I need my tears and say, "Aww." Do I have a problem, guys? Do I have a problem, guys? If I do cry for no reason. We both your heart. Show me where to start. Let me be the part of your first love. All the stars are right. Every wish is ours tonight, my love. Lead us away. Trust and not to blame. Finding out too late that I won't stay. Never letting go. They will never know the risk of love. Got to believe in magic. We do karaoke before Tommy get here. Tomorrow I can't do karaoke. We will try before I tell her of the feelings I have for her. My heart. Every time that I can know that I can hear him, I just lost my nerve as I've done from the start. It's a big enough umbrella, but it's always me that ends up getting wet. Every little thing she does is my dream. Every little thing she turns me on. Just a list of you will find. You're gonna fly away, God, you're going my way. I love it when we're cruising together. The music is played for love, music is made for love. I love it when we're cruising together. On the floor, down, wouldn't be before. Deep inside, I know like there is no excuse, my friend, for breaking my heart, breaking my heart again. Ang pag-ibig ay sadya na ng ganyan. Magkatagpo, magkalayo ang nagmamahalan. Ganyan tayo, mga pusong pinaglaro. Ngunit nasumpaan na walang limutan. Wait for me, aking mahal. Aking mahal. Kaunting tiis na lang at di na magtatagal. Ako'y babalik na sa please wait for me. Itis sa lungkot at pag-iisa. Charot na larawan mo at mga sulat ang kasama. Ingatan mo sana ang pag-ibig natin. Ipaglalaban ito hanggang sa aking pagdating. Wait for me, aking mahal. Yan ang lagi kong dinadasal. I can read your mind, I know your story, see what you're going through, yeah. I stop the blind, I'm feeling sorry, but I know will it come to you, yeah. To surrender, wish you can win in this faithful love. When you want most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go, and your heart's letting down, don't give up on the faith. Lost to those who believe it, and that's glory. Question me for a simple answer. I don't know what to say, no, but it's meant to see. If you stick together, you're gonna find the way to surrender, 'cause you can win in this faithful love. When you want it most, there's no easy way out. When you're ready to go, and your heart's letting down, don't give up on your faith. Love's come to those who believe it, and that's glory. Show me your name, you'll blow me off like it's all the same. It's confused and now I'm different way. Go, yeah, babe. Talk to me. Daylight comes and you're on your own, and you need a friend just to be around. I will comfort you, I will take your hand, and I'll follow you through. I will understand, and you know that I'll be on your side. There's no need to worry, together we'll survive through the history. I'll be on your side when you feel like you're alone, or you know where to turn. I'll be at your side. If my something's deep and your soul's confused, and you cannot find what route to choose, if you make mistakes, you won't let me down. I will still believe, I will turn around, and you know that I'll be on yours. I've been doing karaoke. I think the snow is coming because I see some snowdrops while I'm singing, and it stopped, but I can see it's gonna be tonight. I think it's gonna be like snowing tonight. So the dogs are outside because they've been wanting to pee. I'm gonna do waxing, guys. It's time to wax the armpits. It's snowing outside, guys. I'm gonna bring the dog out, guys. Hey. Yep, it's snowing. Look, even here is.
No one compares, you stand alone to every record I own. Music to my heart.